Good morning, guys. Oh, I'm so excited. Welcome to another studio vlog here on this channel. If you don't know me, hi, I'm Tita and welcome to a crazy week in my life. So as you can tell, I'm so excited. We are launching the Pure candles on Saturday, and today, the day that I'm recording this, it's Monday, so we have a really long, exhausting week ahead. We have to do these whole things. You know, when you have a really good feeling about something, this is what I'm having about these candles, but I'm having these about everything that I do and nothing really works. So, a story of my life. So I'm home from the shopping and I also got a haircut done this afternoon. It's already 8 p.m. because I had to work and then I went and get a haircut, so I just didn't talk to you guys yet. So I'm just going to show you really quick what I got. So I got these two things. I think they will just work perfectly like as backdrops for the photo shoot, just because of the texture and the colors. Then I got these so I can just place here the logo. Then I got a pen, as I said before, so I can make the candle. And I also got these essential oil with like canon. I think it will be very interesting to just have candles with that smell, just because it's wonderful, honestly. So very excited. Now I'm gonna have dinner and continue editing the video and probably make candles because we are in short on time. Let's go. Hey guys, so it's already past 10 p.m. I'm finally taking care of the small business, finally taking care of the candles, and so we are doing 2 samples so we can just shoot them and do all the marketing with it. And then tomorrow I'm just waiting for the small mold so we can also do samples of that and take photos, and everything should just be fine. Now I'm just going to be waiting for it to melt, and so we can do some candles like this. So yeah, very exciting. I'm sorry if I'm sounding weird, just I have a headache, so just exhausting, but it's okay. Hey, it is the next day. I don't think I've talked today, but if I did, hi again. If I didn't, hi. So right now we have the candles. The candles are dried. I'm just going to even the candles with my heat gun, just because this is what we use to make it like smooth and clean and everything. So yeah, let's do it because I want to shoot these 2 candles tomorrow. And they look amazing, the color is amazing, and I'm so excited for them. I really hope everyone likes them. So they're even. Yesterday I bought things from Amazon and they already arrived. So I have an essential oil, a vanilla one, because I hadn't got the scent of vanilla. And this is my favorite one, so I want to use it for my candles as well. And I bought more wax. And then I also got things for my sister, but it's for her birthday, so I'm not gonna show you because it's just random kid stuff. But yeah, I got it. I got the things, which means that tonight I can do the little ones and tomorrow we can just have fun shooting them. and I'm so excited, you guys. So today what I did was I just planned some content for the brand, planned how I would tease the new candles, how I do the marketing, and so on and so forth. And so what I like to do is just to create like a grid, and then I'll just write here the posts, write what I have to do for the posts and how I want them to look like. And yeah, that was basically all I did for the brand today, just because I had some work to do, so I wasn't really focused. And I also did a post. I'm trying a more clear look, more minimalistic look for the brand, that I've always just envisioned myself of having a brand with that look. So I did this post today, which just says peace before anything, me time before anything, love before anything. And these three things, peace, me time, and love, I think are just keywords for not only the brand but my products, and like the mindset that I want people to be in whenever they are using my products. So very exciting. Also a brainstorm here of new products that I want to release and what I want to do. As you can see, the notebook is kind of chaotic whenever I'm just doing brainstorm and just doing all of these things. I'm just going to finish the work that I have to do, and then I will also just take care of the brand itself, do the photos and the montage, the posts and everything that I have to do, and yeah, just share with you how I do it and the process of everything.
Lately I've been thinking about the choices I have made and doubt the life I've chosen for myself. I wonder how it would pan out if I stuck to the status quo and stayed in England ever.
Guys, I just took them out of the mold and look at these. Those are so perfect.
I guess I'll never know, never know, never know. Would that be me if I'd stayed in my city? Red, blue and green. Is that how my life would be?
Hi! For today, the day 2 of this vlog, that's it. I just have to just pack everything. By the way, I got my plants and I'm super happy. I've done the little one. Let's see if it just works perfectly. Tomorrow I'm receiving more of these molds, but big ones, and so I'm hoping to get to do more little ones just for the photo shoot in time. And I'm very excited. This is the candle, you guys. I'm so excited. So the future plans for this candle are to just release this with colors, but like some gradients, some like layers, something different, and with solid colors of course as well, and personalized colors as well. But yeah, for now I'm just going to be releasing the pure version, which is the name of this candle, pure, just because it's the pure beeswax without any kind of coloring. And yeah, I'm super excited for the launch. I think it's such a nice product for you to have in your bedroom. Not only it smells amazing naturally, but it looks super good. It's just a masterpiece, honestly. I'm gonna sleep tomorrow. It's a long day. The anxiety of launching this product is killing my nails. I already contact the person that does my nails. She's a huge friend of mine, and she just got a job as a nail artist, so I just contact her and be like, so this happened, what can we do? Tomorrow I have an appointment. So it's gonna be taken care of because I want to use my hands for the photo shoot as well, so I need to get pretty good hand pressure. No pressure whatsoever, my brain. Good morning, you guys. Welcome to another day here on this process of creating a new product, of launching a new product. So I'm super happy about the candles, you guys. Yesterday I got a little bit sad just because I couldn't just take pictures on the golden hour, during the golden hour. But it's okay, we still have a lot of days to come. And so these are the big ones, and then I'm doing also the little ones. And I'm so excited, you guys. I'm out of breath just because lately I've just been chaotic in terms of anxiety. Yesterday was a very big no-no for me just because my chest was hurting so much. I was having second doubt and I was loving the product at the same time. I was super excited, still am, but I don't know, it was just a lot of mixed emotions. And I was just thinking that I couldn't release in time, but I can, of course. There are still 3 days until the 4 days until the release day. So I don't know, it was just those nonsense thoughts that you have whenever you are doing something different. And yeah, I don't know, I'm feeling better now just because I see things more planned out. I see things more clearly, and I don't know, I'm not rushing like other launches that I did before. So I'm very excited about that, just to see how it plays. And yeah, now I'm just melting a little bit of more of wax so I can just complete here the mold. And then we're gonna let it dry. I have a nail appointment at 1:30, just because I don't know, I feel like I want to use my hands for the videos, for photos and everything. So this is a big no-no. So we're gonna take care of that. And yeah, I'm just uploading the Wednesday's video and do the thumbnail and everything while the wax is melting. And you guys, I'm super excited. I'm just excited. I feel like this whole process is just pure excitement. So yeah, thank you so much for coming along, and if you stick till this point, I love you. I'm still happy, baby, won't you listen when you feel you're missing me? Let this be a little lullaby, help you fall asleep. So these just came from Amazon, and also these I'm gonna open with TikTok now, so I'm gonna film it. And I'm already doing a little candle as well, so we can have 2 of both. And just for the photo shoots, I think those are more exciting just to have more and more products. So yeah, and that's what we are going to be doing. Just going to do the candles, prep everything, so tomorrow I can go to my dad with everything done, because I'm only bringing the candles that are already made, so I can just do the whole photo shoot and everything and not worrying about doing the candles themselves. So yeah, but now let's film a TikTok. Let's make the last candle. Would you look at these? This is so beautiful. So I will use these to cut the wicks of the candles. I think it's so beautiful, like rose gold. Come on. By the way, my new nails, I got them done and it looks so much better. I love going to Maria to have my nails done. She's amazing, and I don't know why it's not focusing, but yeah. Okay, so this one is dried. Let's take it out of the mold. Look at these. Oh my God. Guys, look at these together. Oh my gosh. Good morning. Today is Friday, tomorrow is Saturday, the day that we launched the new candles. I'm just here doing some posts so everything can be just, I don't know, informative with the prices and so on and so forth, because tomorrow is my baby sister's birthday party, so I'm not gonna have time for that. And so I'm just going to let everything smoothly done today. We have to take pictures as well for the candles and do a bunch of that stuff, so we have a lot to do. Let's go.
lightning-stricken cactus and it starts to rain. The smell of steamed asphalt scented 𝐬𝐭𝐮𝐝.
Okay, so this is our little studio. Here's my assistant, my sister, and then what I need to do. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Is to fill up this with coffee and then do like a little cinnamon heart or something like that.
The simple times in the Arizona thunder, the Arizona thunder tonight.
I think that's a wrap.
Endless roads to the horizon.
It's the last day today. I'm going to be launching my candles and I'm so excited. Oh my god. I'm so excited. I'm so proud of the candles. They look amazing. The photos last night, I had to choose between the photos that I took, the ones that I really wanted to use for the marketing, but like for the first photos and everything, so it was chaotic because I had 131 or 150 photos to choose from, all edited, so I was like, damn, so much work, and I ended up choosing, so fingers crossed I chose right. And yeah, let's see. Hi, so it's time to launch the new babies. I'm so excited. Now I'm going to post a video, and then 2 hours later, like at midday, I'm just going to post photos with the prices, shipping, and so on and so forth. So let's go. Guys, I just launched the product. I didn't film because I was using the phone to launch everything, of course, but so much love you guys are giving. I'm so excited. Today it's an anxious day just because of the candles, and also it's my little sister's birthday, so I have my attention divided. But yeah, I think I'm not gonna be able to upload the video that I wanted, this video, tomorrow, which is Sunday, so I think I'm just going to be uploading it on Wednesday. But you know, it's okay. I just don't have time to edit. But yeah, so much love. Oh my god, I'm always so nervous whenever I'm launching a product or something because I'm always afraid if people gonna like or not, and I'm just so excited, you guys. Like, wow, I think like this time I've done everything right. I've prepared, I've done the marketing, I've done everything. Now I'm just waiting for Instagram just to approve my promotion, because I also want to have paid promotions so people can see my candles that aren't following me. So I'm so excited, you guys. Damn. I also just got an order, so that's very exciting. And yeah, I'm going to end the vlog here just because, you know, the product is out and everything that I did for the launch day, it's out there. Now I'm just going to also be posting a TikTok, but that's like at 6 p.m. So yeah, and that's it for today. So I think thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe down below. That really helps. And also go check my brand's Instagram, 𝐬𝐭𝐮𝐝_design. It's very easy, very simple to just follow, give it a like, share, and yeah, just give support. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Thank you. Stay safe, stay happy.